I know that the world isn't fair. I know that it's a terrible place where people deserve to get punished. And they don't. What I am is I'm angry.
And I'm going to help you catch whoever it is that did this.
I don't want your condolences.
Ever since it happened, I have had this fire inside of me that I can't get rid of with booze or pills. I need another way.
Guess you came here to talk some sense into me. Seems like you could use some.
It kills me that he's still out there.
I'm not strong enough to fight for Sarah.
What you're doing is selfish.
Fighting for your city isn't selfish. It's what a hero would do.
You're not a hero.
Maybe it's best we stay out of each other's way.
Laura, you're not your sister.
You think I don't know that?
There's a lot of creep. I said you're not ready.
And when I wear it, it makes me want to help you. You are not fit.
You are certifiable if you think you can wear your sister's mask.
The Canary sends the same message. They fear her.
No, Laurel. They fear your sister.
She's not here anymore. I thought that being Sarah would make it hurt less. But instead it caused more pain. I wanted to show her, show myself that I was still strong too.
You're not a hero. You're a liar, a fraud, and an addict.
No, it won't bring her back. No. And I'm done trying.
That woman running around in black leather tonight, that wasn't Sarah.
Oh, you're not the hero. Who is this?
My life was always headed towards that mask.
I love the way that you beat up criminals.
Laurel Lance, always trying to save the world. Friends and family.
I guess we're even now. If you're gonna stand there and tell me I'm not strong enough or tough enough, please don't.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the Justice League.